The leg-supported dumbbell stiff leg deadlift trains the hamstrings. To set up, set the barbell just above knee height. If you don't have a Smith machine, you can also set this up in a squat rack. Stand with your feet straight and hip width. Next, engage your lats by pulling your shoulders down toward your hips and pushing your arms long. You should feel a squeeze around your armpits. Lastly, create a neutral and stable spine by stacking your ribs over your pelvis and tucking your chin. For the action, on the eccentric, lower the dumbbells toward your toes. Hinge forward at the hips with fairly straight knees. Aim to find a stretch at the back of the knee. You can adjust the tension on the hamstrings by straightening the knee to make it more intense or softening the knees to make it less intense. On the concentric, extend your hips, focusing on pulling with your hamstrings to come up. Avoid standing too tall, as this will cause you to lose lat engagement and force you to have to reset each rep. For proper alignment, aim to keep your knees fairly straight, ensuring you feel a stretch closer to the knee as opposed to the glutes. This is your indication that you're performing them correctly. Maintain a neutral and stable spine by stacking your ribs over your pelvis and tucking your chin, and maintain lat engagement by pulling your shoulders down toward your hips with long arms, feeling a squeeze around your armpits. Keep in mind your lower back will be involved to some degree. However, if you're experiencing back discomfort or feeling in your back more than your hamstrings, it could be for 3 possible reasons. 1, you're hyperextending or flexing the spine to lift the weight, as opposed to extending and flexing from the hips. 2, you're going too low, beyond your hamstrings' range of motion, forcing you to flex your spine. And 3, you're losing lat engagement and allowing the weight to drift too far in front of you. This places more tension on the lower back as a result.